Raptor Gen 2 installation is pretty simple. It comes with 3 parts, bottom, top, and then this guide. This guide is not necessary, but depending on where you're going to mount this. So right now your camera sees your bumper, and that kind of gives you a point of reference of how close you are to something. So depending on where you mount this, you may no longer have that bumper in frame. So we include this. So this little tab sticks out, kind of gives you a point of reference of how close something is to hitting your truck if you're parking in a tight spot or something. But not necessary. The holes match up with this, so you can sandwich it in there if you want it. If not, no need to use it. If you are mounting this on the Baja Designs linkable pods, 2 of these holes, you only need 2, will match up with the linkable pods holes on top, and use a 7/8, 1/4, 20 bolt, and probably button head, so it sits nice and low in there. Anyway, if not, you have 4 holes here, so you can make a bracket onto another light bar or a new bumper, or wherever you're putting this. Anyway, so we're going to take camera, stick it in there, and then you're going to take your harness, come to the back, and same thing with your washer hose. Some people just don't even do this, they just plug up the washer, but if you want to be able to wash your camera still, put that in there. And we're going to make sure that it's kind of to the side of the camera connector, and then putting this on a little tab here in the front, so make sure that goes into the slot in the front, and make sure everything else is kind of square, and then you're just going to snap it together, and it goes together pretty tight. And then to open this, the best way is there's a little hole in the back here. Just take a small screwdriver or something, get it in there, and pop it up. There you go, pretty easy.